Hi guys, this is LT Survival. Well, second take because the first one I didn't start. Didn't start the camera, so stay tuned. We'll give you a small channel update right after this. Well, as you know, I've started doing knife review again and trying to pre-program my video ahead of time, so they always come out on Sunday 1900, 7 o'clock in the evening. And I've used the Premiere, so it gives you a little hint first once when you are a subscriber that I'll come not that my video will be live, not high. So the objective of that is to build regularity, okay, and make sure I have video every week. The alternate in between the French and the English permits me to film video ahead of times when I can film a series of them and put them in line as I pass them through the computer. Still using the old program because I had some difficulty with the new one. Probably a manipulation error. I'm going to try to convert to the new program. The thing is, with the new program, the graphics and the titles are way longer to do, so it takes me more time, and time is something this channel has been suffering, and unfortunately I am, and I don't get to do enough for the channel, so spending time on the computer means I spend less time doing something else, filming video, or doing my job. So either or, I'll have to do something about it to get a little more time on my hand. Just to give you something to look at, here's a knife I got, okay, real steel, first one I got from them. That's Jake Canadian Cunny Edge that sold it back to me. RH Land, again, same thing, first harpoon style blade, so that's why I bought this one. Got some fixed blade, okay, this one, Zamax. I've got some more, many more Ganzo. This one is beautiful with the carbon fiber. So I've got other knives waiting to be fully reviewed. The Canadian belt knife, which one? Oh, the JSX. I have to do a full blown outside review, which I'm happy to see that I'm one of the owners of the good ones. The JSX came out recently from like the medical last line of production, so if you're lucky you might get some real ones without the Repair Mono 101 logo, so check your suppliers, you may be lucky, but I think they're already sold out. So anyway, that's not the subject of the video. The update is to tell you that I'm working on all the series I would like to present you there, because of the idea I have to be able to make you a better video. That's taking a lot of time because I have to plan way ahead before I start shooting which image I need, which close-up I need, whichever it's needed. So I've procured myself more material to be able to build what I need to present you the video, and I'd like to make them very good. When we say very good, well, it takes time. So the series are difficult. There's a couple of video I'm going to work on that's going to come in the near future. The survival one will go towards the enemy of survival, the theory behind the survival, not the the application. Okay, there's a lot of things that we can talk on camera, but I'd like a better setting than this studio, which for me is boring as hell, and I'd like to be in nature to do so. So talking survival when I'm sitting here is like being in a classroom saying survival is point A, point B, point C. That's boring, and I'd like to make something a little more, and I'd like to keep them very short, so that takes a lot of practice or preparation. So for this little update, I'm gonna cut that here. We already have 5 minutes in the video, so basically when I'm finished treating this video, it's gonna be a 5-6 minutes video, depending on how much blabber I put out until the end. So if you like my channel, please give it thumbs up. Anything, talk to me. Talk what you like, talk what you don't. One thing I have to tell you, most of these knives came from GearBest, but GearBest doesn't deliver anymore in Canada. Thanks, CBSA, for F up our suppliers, because CBSA has been seizing and returning a quantity, to be polite, a quantity of order in Canada. So much so that GearBest decided Canada is not a good country to send. They check everything. They check everything almost. It's getting difficult if it comes from China to get anything. Anything. And I don't know anyone in the USA that like to repack and send me boxes. I don't have family in the USA. I have a couple friends from YouTube, but I mean, can I ask someone to receive all my orders to their place, repack the order, make sure the pivot don't move, and then send them off to me? And then it's going to be a shitload of exchange of money to do. So it's not easy to be living in the most communist-free country in the world. Yeah, Canada. It's going down the drain, and that's political, so that's not the mean of this channel. So anyway, I'm trying to work around all of these things. I've got plenty of knives to review. I'm ordering from Canadian source once in a while. The Canadian belt knife is from Amazon, and a couple of other knives that come from places in Canada as much as possible. One new one I've got is the Rat 1. Finally bought one. So from Ontario Knife, the Rat 1. You guys gonna get a preview at the end of this video while I'm babbling again. So the Rat 1, there were only one color available at that price. It was on kind of a sale. So the Ontario, oops, my lights are getting low, so I'm gonna have to change the lights again. Yeah, the Ontario Knife, Rat 1, older model, I guess, not sure which it is. In black G10. I've repositioned the clip. Okay, Oz 8, I wanted the D2, but it's way too expensive when available, and it's not available very much, but it works well. Liner lock instead of a G-lock like the Ganzo. So here it is, the preview at the end of the video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next video.